Sushi Pop, and I'm not going to tell you who they are, but there's some very famous people who are incognito here at Sushi Pop tonight, and we just wanted to ask them what they thought about their dinner and what they're eating. What are y'all eating?
I just got the grilled salmon with brown rice. It tastes really good.
It's good? Yeah, okay. And how about you, ma'am? There's barely anything left on your plate there.
It's really good.
This is her 4th plate of fried Oreos. This is incredible. Yeah. How about you?
I had the beef udon. I finished it already.
Wow. How many times have you guys come here?
This is our first time.
First time? How'd you hear about it?
We were passing by.
Yeah? Miss Karen, you think you'll come back?
Oh yeah!
Yeah. Well, you're going to be on the Facebook page, so now you're required by law to come back, right? Okay, great. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for coming to Sushi Pop.